I wasn't really going to do a video on this, but I mean, to just try out my new camera, I just thought might as well. So I'm restoring this. I put a new wire in there. As you can see, it's new capacitors, except for these little brown ones right here, because those things never go bad. That's original 1937. There's a paper one right there, which I'm keeping because it works without me replacing it. And I think that might be a replacement paper from like probably the 50s or so. That's just a guess, don't quote me on it. And then there's one paper capacitor here. Let me just get a lamp down here, or some kind of light source. Here we go, my recording lamp. There we go. I won't oversaturate it. Yeah, there's one more mica mold left. So I can get this to focus. Yeah, there's a paper right there. There's a paper. This is what I'm doing. I'm just rewiring stuff. The wires that have gone bad. Of course, I'm gonna keep stuff like that, because one, that's cool, and two, it works. So yeah, it's going quite well. This is that Airline, the one that I will be showing at like probably 11 o'clock tonight. And I'll be going through the channels at nighttime, see how it performs at its greatest ability. Yeah, orange drops were used, since that's what I normally use. There's a transformer right there. Yeah, this is a great set. It works nice. The cables were open though. It had completely deteriorated, and they were open, so I just had to replace that one and the ground. This is the antenna. Yeah, and I didn't use a schematic. I should have. I just followed what was on the capacitors. Whatever the old capacitor said on it, I got a new one that said the same thing. I don't know if I should have done that or not, but it works. Also, new wires were used, like right there. Yeah, new cord was put on it too. Electronically restored. So yeah, that'll be this radio, quick restoration of it. Yeah,